Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited to bring you a lineup of free AI tools that will revolutionize 9 crucial aspects of your student life. From report writing to coding, presentation skills to interview prep, these tools are designed to make your academic journey smoother and boost your productivity. Stick around until the end, because I have a bonus AI tool that can assist you in every facet of your life. So, let's get started. 1. Content and report writing. Let's kick things off with content and report writing. The go-to AI tool for this is ChatGPT. Now, I know most of you might already be familiar with ChatGPT, but here's a quick tip to make the most out of it. When you're using ChatGPT, the key is to be specific with your prompts. Use words like natural sounding, cohesive, and college level to describe what you're looking for. This little trick can really elevate the quality of the content you get. 2. Plagiarism. Now, let's talk about a crucial aspect of academic integrity: avoiding plagiarism. While ChatGPT is fantastic for drafting your assignments and reports, it does pull from existing texts on the web, which might inadvertently lead to plagiarism. To safeguard your work, I recommend using a free AI tool called Duplichecker. Just head over to duplichecker.com, paste your text, and it'll scan for any potential plagiarism. If you find something, use ChatGPT or another free tool, Quillbot, to help rephrase and refine those parts. And then, run your revised text through Duplichecker again to ensure your work is completely original. A simple step to keep your academic work on the safe side. 3. Making notes. Next up is a tool that's a total game changer for note-making: Notion. I cannot emphasize enough how valuable Notion can be for students. It's a free platform that you can access on both their website and mobile app, making it super convenient whether you're on your laptop or phone. If you've ever used Microsoft Word, you'll find Notion's interface quite familiar, but it's packed with amazing features like timelines, databases, and even supports for codes and equations. You can store, manage, and share your academic data effortlessly. Plus, Notion offers AI functionalities, though with limited free credits. And here's a pro tip. Once you start using Notion, visit notion.so/templates and search for student, and you'll find a bunch of awesome pre-built templates to jumpstart your note-making process. 4. Presentation. Moving on to presentations, a task that can be daunting for many students. But fear not, because Canva is here to make your presentation creation not just easy, but also creatively fulfilling. Canva is a free online graphic platform with a plethora of presentation templates just waiting for you. Simply enter a few keywords, and you'll be presented with numerous options to choose from. Once you've selected a template, customize it to your heart's content, change colors, texts, add graphics. Canva offers a vast array of graphics, images, and videos, all free to use. This tool not only simplifies the process of creating presentations, but also helps your work stand out with its unique designs. 5. Coding. For those of you diving into the world of coding, there's an AI tool that stands out: GitHub Copilot. While there are several tools, including ChatGPT, that can assist with coding, GitHub Copilot takes it a step further. It's integrated with ChatGPT 4, allowing you to generate and refine code directly within the VS Code IDE. This makes coding more interactive and efficient, especially when you're dealing with complex projects. Although GitHub Copilot isn't free, there's good news for students. You can access it for free by signing up with your educational email address. Just search for GitHub Copilot for students, verify your student status, and you're all set to explore this powerful coding assistant. 6. Reading PDFs. Let's tackle the often tedious task of reading PDFs and books. Microsoft Edge offers a tool called Copilot that makes this process much simpler and faster. By loading your PDF in Microsoft Edge, you can use the Ask Copilot feature to get summaries or ask about specific parts of the document. This feature is incredibly handy for quickly understanding and digesting long texts. Additionally, Microsoft Edge has a Read Aloud option, offering a range of natural-sounding voices to read the content to you. This isn't just limited to PDFs. You can use it for blogs and articles too, making it a versatile tool for any reading material. 7. Interview, public speaking preparation. If you are preparing for an interview or a speech, or just want to improve your public speaking and communication skills, Yoodli is an AI tool designed to help with just that. It's a private platform where you can practice speaking, and after each session, Yoodli provides feedback and pointers to enhance your communication skills. You can customize it according to your specific needs, like preparing for an interview or a public speech. Yoodli offers some free credits upon account creation, and if you need more, you can always get additional credits by creating a new account. This tool is a great way to gain confidence and improve your speaking abilities in a safe, private environment. 8. Resume and cover letter creation. When it comes to creating a standout resume and cover letter, Novoresume is an excellent AI tool to consider. It offers a variety of free templates to help you start building your resume and cover letter. You can experiment with different styles and layouts to find the one that best represents you. It also provides AI-powered feedback, offering tips and suggestions to enhance your documents. While there are some limitations in the free version, it's still an invaluable tool for quickly crafting a professional-looking resume and cover letter, which are crucial in securing your next job opportunity. 9. Research paper analysis. Research papers can be overwhelming, especially when you're faced with a stack of them. But don't worry, I found a tool that can make this task a lot more manageable. ChatPDF.com. This site is a lifesaver for anyone doing research. Just upload your paper, and it provides you with a summary. If you're struggling with a particular section, simply highlight it, and the tool offers an explanation and allows you to ask follow-up questions. One standout feature that really sets ChatPDF.com apart is its ability to analyze images within research papers. This is incredibly helpful because, let's be honest, sometimes those images can be pretty confusing. The tool uses the advanced ChatGPT 4 model to explain what these images represent, making your research process much smoother and more efficient. And now, as promised, it's time to reveal the bonus tool, character.ai. This platform has recently gained a lot of popularity, and for good reason. Character.ai offers a vast array of AI characters that can assist you in almost every aspect of your studies. Need help with health and fitness? Struggling with a math problem? Or maybe you want to improve your coding skills? Character.ai has got you covered with its collection of AI personas, ranging from fictional to non-fictional characters. You can interact with these characters to get help, advice, or even just to have an interesting conversation. The variety is incredible, and there's something for everyone. I highly recommend exploring Character.ai. You're sure to find an AI companion that can assist you with your academic needs. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up. I'm aiming to get 100 likes on this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more video like this. See you in the next video.